Are you tired of fighting a slow metabolism? Want to achieve your health and wellness goals faster and more efficiently? So stop everything you are doing and pay attention, because we have the solution for you. Meet the tea burn. The world's first and only 100% safe and natural proprietary, patent-pending formula, that when combined with tea, can increase both the speed and efficiency of metabolism, while instantly boosting your health, energy, and well-being at the same time. Only Tea Burn delivers you a powerful and robust combination of immune-boosting vitamins to help keep you strong, energized, and healthy. And if you want to know more about Tea Burn, I'll leave the official website link in the description of this video so you can clear all your doubts. Do aerobic exercises regularly. Cardiovascular training, such as running, swimming, or cycling, can help speed up metabolism. Do strength training. Increased muscle mass contributes to a faster metabolism, as muscle tissue burns more calories at rest than fat. Do not skip breakfast. Eating a balanced meal in the morning helps to start the metabolism and provides energy for the day. Eat small and frequent meals. Consuming several smaller meals throughout the day can help keep the metabolism active. Include protein in every meal. Protein has a greater thermal effect than carbohydrates or fats, which means your body burns more calories to digest it. Drink enough water. Dehydration can slow down your metabolism, so make sure you stay hydrated. Eat foods high in fiber. Foods high in fiber, such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, help keep the metabolism working well. Avoid extreme or restrictive diets. Diets that are too low in calories can slow down metabolism, as the body goes into energy conservation mode. Consume thermogenic foods. Some foods, such as peppers, green tea, and ginger, may temporarily increase metabolism due to their thermogenic properties. Get enough sleep. Sleep deprivation can negatively affect metabolism. Try to have a good sleep quality every night. Reduce stress. Chronic stress can interfere with proper functioning of metabolism. Practice relaxation techniques such as meditation or yoga. Avoid excessive alcohol consumption. Alcohol can temporarily slow down metabolism and make it difficult to burn fat. Increase your routine with daily physical activities. Include more movement in your daily routine, such as climbing stairs, walking during breaks, or parking the car a little further away. Consume omega-3. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty fish, flaxseed, and nuts can help boost metabolism. Avoid sedentary lifestyle. Sitting for long periods can slow down your metabolism. Get up regularly and move around. Consume coffee or green tea. The caffeine present in these products can temporarily increase metabolism. Consult a healthcare professional. If you are struggling to boost your metabolism, a healthcare professional can help identify any underlying problems or provide personalized guidance. In addition to these tips, it is always recommended to consult a doctor, nutritionist, or health professional for personalized guidance. They can conduct a thorough assessment and provide appropriate recommendations based on your individual needs.